Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Friday, October 30th. I could barely recognize you guys coming in the gate today. You look amazing. You've got your costumes on. Oh, you look so great. It's going to be a really fun day today. And then we have Halloween tomorrow, fun weekend coming up. We've got one more thing to talk about cleanliness this week. And then next week, we'll have a brand new virtue. Can you please stand up with me? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. Go ahead and have a seat. I'll give you like 5 seconds to get seated because some of you have some costumes that make it a little bit tricky. 3, 2, 1. Make sure nothing's in your hands. Make sure you don't have any part of your costume in your hands. And let's focus today on our last part of cleanliness. This one's actually going to work really, really well with Halloween because on Halloween, there's a part of your body that you might get dirty that I think you'll hear about this morning. So today we're talking about how do you keep your body clean, like your whole body? How do you do that? Do you guys take a bath? Do you take a shower? How do you wash? Do you wash your hands? When do you wash your hands? Do you use hand sanitizer? When should you use hand sanitizer? Here's the Halloween one. Do you brush your teeth? And when should you be brushing your teeth? How do you keep your body really clean and healthy? We want you guys to be ready to learn every single day. And if you get sick, you're not going to be ready to learn. And if you're really dirty, you're probably going to get sick. So part of staying healthy and strong and ready to learn and being really smart is actually keeping your body clean. And if the outside of your body's nice and clean, you're going to be way more healthy, way more ready to learn. So have a chat today with your class and just let's think of all the ways, how can you keep yourself clean? Maybe throw in some ideas about keeping your clothes clean, and keeping your body clean, definitely keeping your teeth clean. Let's see what you can think of today about keeping yourself clean.